Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creative by Fabi. Today I have a two quick and easy DIY for you guys. So first, I will be using this wire basket from Dollar Store. I start cutting the bottom of the basket to have the hoop. And I will be needing a lace ribbon from Dollar Store also. I'm going to wrap it around just like that. And when you have that, also we need some flowers, any flowers you have at home. I'm using some lavender leftover that I have from previous DIY. So I create two small bushes and then I put it together and we're going to attach it to the hoop. So I will be using some twine to hold my flowers and place together like that, they don't move. And then when you're done with that, I will be using the same twine to attach it on the hook. Just like so, it looks beautiful. Love twine and burlap and all my DIYs. So when you're done with that, now we're going to use our picture frame, also from Dollar Store. This frame doesn't have any glass on it, it's only like a piece of cardboard. And so we're going to remove the plastic and also the twine is inside on. So let's remove those clips and cut the twine is in. Then I use some chalk just to give you some character to the cardboard. Now I'm going to be using some napkins or something just to clean the excess. Now we put it back in the picture frame. I also added some hot glue on the corner just to give you better support to the frame. Now we have our frame and we're going to place our hoop inside of the frame. So I will be using some hot glue just to keep it in place, just like so. Now we have a beautiful frame that we can write any messages that we want. So I decided to write the word family. I started at the first place to write it on top to the hoop, but then I realized the flowers would cover, so I ended writing on inside, and I think it looks better like that. At this point you can leave it like that how it is. The frame actually look really nice, but I decided to use a little bit of chalk paint just to give you better character. Then I decided to create a little bow with this lace ribbon just to give you more like romantic look. So this is optional, you don't have to, but I think it looks really nice, and I decided just to create that and place it on top. I think they turned out really pretty. Love it. Now we're going to start with our second DIY. So for this DIY we'll be using those bottles from Dollar Store also. I just love those bottles with a little handle on it and some ribbon and also a little bit of leftover burlap and the same flowers that I used before. So I cut two pieces of burlap and then I take the strings a little bit just to give you a better like old look. And now I'm going to glue it on to the bottom. to leave it like that, but I decided to remember the strings that I got before from the burlap. I just want to give it some use to, so I decided to pick few and just attach it around the little handle on it. I was trying to create a little bow at the first time, but it wasn't long enough, so I just leave it there with just like that. Now I'm pulling apart my flowers and I'm going to cut the leaves and I start to glue on it on the bottom. Just like so. At this point it looks beautiful already, but I decided to put a little bit of burlap on top to the green part just to cover that part, and this is optional. You know, when you are crafting, you just keep going, and you ending creating things that you don't have in mind at the first place. So that's all. So that's all for today. That was my 2 quick and easy DIYs. So I really hope you guys understand my explanation. I'm still learning English and I'm struggling a little bit. So, but I really hope you guys enjoy it. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.